Here's a rich 25 by 30 garage, and as you can see, last couple days I've been soaking this muckety muck down. Look at that. You can actually see the dipstick tube and one of the bolts for the transmission. A lot of the paint left on the block. I took some shop towels and put them inside plastic bags and jammed them inside the spark plug hole so I don't get any dirt down in there mixed with water, because that wouldn't be too good. And down there I can start seeing some of the bolts. I've been just soaking it and then squirting it down, soaking it and squirting it down, trying to get all this stuff up. I mean, I could take my power washer and do that, but I just didn't want to do that just yet. So I couldn't even get to the bolts. I couldn't even see where the bolts were, because this whole area in here was just simply caked. And then take a look at this. Took the valve cover off. Look at that. Look at that. What a shame. What a shame that they took those bolts out, because it looks like the inside of this engine looks like it's brand new, because like I told you, this was a 41,000 mile engine. Look at that. Just what a shame. Then I noticed on the distributor right here, Ford look logo. Then on the carburetor, the choke thing's missing. The little choke bell crank for the choke is missing right there. That's what hooks up here. So I got a lot of the junk off the top of the engine. You can actually see the bolts on the intake now. And all this was all caked. I still have some junk down in there. And then over here, like at the area of the fuel pump, like I said, I've been working on it pretty good. And it's been taking a lot of, I squirt it down, clean it out pretty good, and then I soak it, let it soak, and then I clean it some more. Yeah, the tensioner pulley's loose, but especially down in this area, that was all. You couldn't even see the gap between the harmonic balancer and the timing chain cover. It's just really a shame that they let this car sit like that. So it deserves to get running again. So anyway, one more view of the. I got a little bit of dirt in there from the taking the valve cover off, but what a shame. 25 by 30 out.